Welcome to Stu Bear's Sports and Leisure Channel, and on today's show we take you to Annecy, one of the most charming towns in the French Alps, set at the northern tip of Lake Annecy. But we start at the camping car area at the southern tip of Lake Annecy called La Rondelle. And it's from here that you can take the excellent cycle track into the town of Annecy through a fabulous tunnel and then follow the beautiful turquoise lake surrounded by mountains. In Annecy's small medieval quarter laced with canals known as Little Venice. And make sure you just take the time to take in the beautiful scenery of this fabulous part of France. We now take you on a magnificent ride up to the ski station of Semnos to the west of Lake Annecy. Just before reaching the top, make sure you take in the views high above Lake Annecy. And after that, it's literally a roller coaster ride back down to the shores of Lake Annecy for a swim in the crystal clear water. Make sure you sample the delights though of the medieval quarter with its bars, cafes, and the best time to visit Lake Annecy is mid-June and early September. Thanks so much for watching from myself, Stu Bear, on Stu Bear's Sports and Leisure Channel. Until the next time, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, don't forget, Stu Bear's Air Show World. Until next time, thank you.